What's up guys, today we're back with another video, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do PLL in only 2 algorithms. So PLL is basically just short for permutation of the last layer, which is used in the CFOP method. It is used by many great speed cubers, and today I want to teach you how to do it very easily. Okay. The first step to doing beginner PLL is to get to know your cube first. So first you want to see if there are 2 of the same color on the top layer for the 2 corners. As you can see, we have it on one of the sides, but not on any of the other ones. If you do have it like this, you just put this side to the left. But if you don't have any same corners on the top layer, then you can just do this algorithm from anywhere. It is the T permutation, or short T perm, and it's probably up there somewhere. And it goes like this: R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R2, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, F. And as you can see, we now have and as you can see, we now have fixed all the corners in their correct places, and now time for the edges. To fix the edges, what we have to do is, just cycle the edges until they go in the right spot. So right now we have the edges like this, where we need to do an algorithm called the U perm. It will be it will be up here. If you don't have this case, or you have this one is also wrong, then just do the algorithm from anywhere, and then you should be able to get this. So anyways, let's go. The algorithm goes like this: R, U prime, R, U, R, U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R2. And as you can see, we fixed the edges. Now, if it still didn't fix, even though you did it, then you just have to do it again, because maybe you cycled the edges, in the wrong way. So that should be it for this tutorial, and I hope you take something out of this video. And yeah, so this is how you do beginner PLL. So I guess that's it for this video. Bye now.